So somebody asked me if we could somehow see if there is an influence on the charging of those batteries when we do that switching over here with that high voltage and so that we tap off. So therefore the motor is now set up and I placed a meter across the batteries over there. Now of course we have that 150 kilohertz signal that is also over there, so we can only see if there is a difference, but I would not exactly see to the values of that difference because that meter is not accurate. But I hope we then just see if there is an influence, yes or no. So the motor is started. See when we go up, we have 15.75 volts over there, but we don't see great difference in the charging over there on that meter over there. Current over here is 3.9 amp, so going to discharge. As you can see, but we must keep in mind that for the moment we only have one pass through the core of that cold wire. So I don't see much influence of what we are doing here. I will keep the light longer connected. We stay at 16.03, now I release. We don't see a difference in the voltage over there. Amperage is still 3.75. Going to unload. Now with the higher voltages we must keep in mind that by using these capacitors that it's also dangerous not to touch them. I just experienced that. If people don't have metal capacitors but the plastic ones, then you can also use a wire around that capacitor. I did that in the past. That also works. But as you can see, I don't see an influence on my charging over there when I do this setup.